Creating Radiant Comfort, a Mosaic Crochet Blanket Pattern. This airy throw will brighten up any room. Size of the blanket, 38 inches x 53 inches, or 100 centimeters x 134 centimeters, approximately. You can customize the size of your blanket by adding or decreasing repeats of the pattern, but keep in mind that this will affect the amount of yarn required. Discover the art of crochet with the Radiance Blanket Kit, combining skill and creativity for a stunning mosaic pattern. You can get the crochet kit or pattern through the link in the description. Blankets aren't just about warmth, they're about comfort, creativity, and personal expression. If you're an intermediate crocheter looking for a project that combines skill building with stunning results, then look no further than the Radiance Blanket. This mosaic crochet pattern, crafted using Premier Color Fusion DK yarn and Mary Maxim Maximum Value yarn, offers a captivating journey into the world of colorwork and texture. With a choice of colors and a few essential tools, you'll embark on a crochet adventure that culminates in a masterpiece of coziness. Choose from vibrant Premier Color Fusion DK or soft Mary Maxim yarns, included in the kit, for a personalized touch. Choose your colors of yarn and start the project right away. The Premier Color Fusion yarn offers a beautiful blend of colors and is perfect for creating vibrant patterns. Mary Maxim Maximum Value yarn. Opt for this yarn for its softness and durability, ensuring your blanket stays cozy for years to come. Included in kit. Getting started, before diving into the intricacies of the Radiance Blanket, let's gather our materials. You'll need: gather your G6 and size 7 crochet hooks and select your favorite yarn colors to begin crafting your masterpiece. Premier Color Fusion DK yarn. This yarn offers a beautiful blend of colors and is perfect for creating vibrant patterns. This yarn is included in the crochet pattern kit available in the description link. Mary Maxim Maximum Value yarn. Choose this yarn for its softness and durability, ensuring your blanket stays cozy for years to come. Included in kit. Crochet hooks. Grab your G6 and size 7 crochet hooks to achieve the desired tension and stitch definition. Choice of colors. Select your preferred hues to bring your vision of the Radiance Blanket to life. The mosaic crochet technique allows for intricate patterns with simple stitches, creating a visually stunning blanket without complex methods. Start with a foundation chain, then alternate between single crochet and mosaic patterns for a captivating design. Create a cherished heirloom or a heartfelt gift with the Radiance Blanket, a journey of self-expression and creativity in every stitch. The Radiance Blanket employs the mosaic crochet technique, which involves creating intricate patterns using two contrasting colors. This method allows you to achieve stunning visual effects without the complexity of stranded colorwork. With a combination of simple stitches and color changes, you'll create a mesmerizing design that radiates warmth and elegance. The Radiance Blanket is not just a crochet project, it's a journey of self-expression and creativity. With its captivating mosaic pattern and luxurious yarns, this blanket is sure to become a cherished heirloom in your home or a heartfelt gift for loved ones. So, gather your materials, embrace the challenge, and let your crochet hook weave magic into every stitch. You can learn more about the pattern in the link description below. The pattern is available to download, or you can get the crochet kit with pattern and yarn to make the perfect mosaic pattern afghan for your home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun patterns and ideas.